Alright guys, this is an old school electric kiln. It has lots of dials that I turn up at different intervals in order to make a sequence of a firing. But the biggest key factor right here is the conesitter. So this is the conesitter right here, and what happens is the cone needs to be put inside. It is attached to the outside there. So we put the cone inside the conesitter internally so that it's sitting there. And that is a temperature specific object. I'll tell you about that in a second. This thing needs to then get pushed on. This is attached. This conesitter right here, this is the exterior part of it. This is the internal mechanism. So that's how you get this whole thing just to turn on. Now we're in the red. Now we can fire. So when you fire an electric kiln like this, it's all manual. You usually start with the bottom two. I have a schedule that I adhere to right here. Bisque firing is the first time you fire, and those numbers correspond to, this is number 1 and 2, meaning zone 1 and zone 2. They all go on 3 at 7:30 in the morning. Then when we glaze fire just a little bit differently, but all of them go on 3 at 7:30. At 9 o'clock, all of them go on 6. And we can fire glaze firing a little bit faster. But that's essentially how these kilns work. The lid gets closed, obviously. These plugs have to get plugged up in order for it to maintain heat. Sometimes, like, I'll take them out to cool it down. I'll leave them, I won't plug it up when I'm just starting the kiln, and then I'll plug it up once it's nice and hot. Basically, that's it.